Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is my first video on mathematics. Today I'll show you something different so that I can remove the fear of mathematics. Children are very afraid of mathematics, but today they'll enjoy mathematics class. And I hope that I can succeed in it. Let's begin. It is weighing scale or weighing machine. I have kept the weight on one side and some stone in the pouch on the other side. As you can see, these two things are equal in weight. The shape of the pouch is different from this weight, though weight is same. This pouch is made of hydrocarbons, and this weight can be made of sodium, can be made of magnesium, can be made of aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chromium, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, chromium, nickel, copper, zinc, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin. Make it sense? Lastly, these two objects have a similarity. They are equal in weight. Now my partner, Uncle Tendu, will teach you.
Welcome to my classroom. Today I'll teach you pair of linear equation in two variables. This equation is in the 9th and 10th grade. I have written some equation on the board. These equation I have not written from book. I myself have created it. All the equations differ from each other, but the answer is same, and the answer is x equals to 1 and y equals to minus 1. Today I'll teach you how to make pair of linear equation in two variables. Once you learn to create an equation, you will find bigger book of mathematics too small. In my style of teaching, I always emphasize on one thing, and that is how to make questions. Got my point? Making sense to you? Are you with me so far? Let's make a new equation. What exactly we need to do is look at the answer very carefully. What do we need? We need x equals to 1 and y equals to minus 1. So how will the equation be formed? Take any variable with any sign, irrespective of positive and negative, on the left hand side. Suppose I write 5x plus 3y is equals to, now what will I write on the right hand side or this side? Put the value of x and y in this equation, make an addition and subtraction, and then calculate it. Now what is the value of x is 1, value of y is minus 1. This become 5 and this become minus 3. We got 2. This 2 we will write on the right hand side or this side. Got my point? Let's make another equation. 2x minus 6y. As I told you, take any variable with any sign, irrespective of positive and negative. Important is what we need to write on the right hand side. Okay, now put the value of x and y from there. X is 1 minus 6 and value of y is minus 1. 2 plus 6, this become 8. Now this 8 we will write over here. Now this is a pair of linear equation in two variables. This is a balanced equation. Consider this equals to as a weighing scale or a weighing machine. Shape of 8 is differ from this variable, but they have one similarity, and that is once you put the value of x and y, make an addition and subtraction and calculate it, you will find 8 over here. Okay, which means this is a balanced equation. Let's make another equation. Now we need the answer. X equals to minus 1 by 2 and y equals to 3. So how will the equation be formed? Let's make a equation. Take any variable, as I told you, on the left hand side with any sign. Suppose I write 50x plus 70y. Now what will I write on the right hand side? Now put the value of x and y in this equation. The value of x is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 17. Value of y is 3. This become 25. When it will be multiplied by minus 1, it becomes minus 25 plus 51. Make an addition and subtraction, we'll get 26. This 26 we'll write on the right hand side. Let's make another equation. Take any variable with any sign. Now what will I write on the right hand side? Put the value of x and y. The value of x is minus 1 by 2 plus 27 upon 3. The value of y is 3. This will be cancelled out, and 6 2s are 12 and 3 2s are 6. This become minus 2 and this become plus 27, and you will get 25. This 25 will write on the right hand side. Now this is a balanced equation. You have a pair of linear equation in two variables. This is the balanced equation. Consider this as a weighing scale or a weighing machine. Shape of 25 is differ from this variable, but they have one similarity, and that is when you put the value of x and y and make an addition and subtraction, calculate it, you will get 25. That is why I have written 25 over here. Got my point? When you solve this equation, you will get the value of x equals to 1 and y equals to minus 1. When you solve this equation, you will get the value of x equals to minus 1 by 2 and y equals to 3. We have made pair of linear equation in two variables. I teach in government school in my village, and there I give all the children different questions so that the children do not even copy, and everyone gets the same answer, because it is my responsibility to control the outcome. And when everyone gets the same answer, all the children become so happy, and they happily ask me, "Uncle, how did you do this?" Then I tell them, when a bicycle needs to be designed, an aeroplane needs to be designed, or a building needs to be designed, all of them require engineering mathematics. And I have read engineering mathematics going into that depth where people often get drowned, and I have come out of that depth and have played with these mathematical figures. Got my point? Safety instruction. When you build a house or home, you don't know how much rebar is used. Rebar means reinforcement bar. Rebar is used to make roof stronger. You need to use rebar in this place. Okay, it's a very simple mathematics. For 1 square foot, 1 kilogram of rebar is used. For 500 square feet, 500 kilogram of rebar is used. If you want to build a house or home at 25 into 40 square feet, this become 1000 square feet, which means 1000 kilogram of rebar is used. Thank you.